What's going on, YouTube? Sorry for the horrible production. This is not my day job. But if you are the proud owner of a CR Stealth Bar and you'd like to get some better sound out of this thing, out of the box, these things they sound like trash. Mackie, you guys seriously need to do a better job of working on your equalizers with these things because they just sound bad. So if you want to get rid of those nasty, muddy mids, and you want to get some highs in there, get a better, cleaner sound, head over to fxsound.com. Let's zoom in here for you. fxsound.com. Okay. These guys have a free Windows equalizer that honestly is really damn good. I was impressed for having never used it before. So I'm going to go ahead and run over here to YouTube, and I'm going to make sure that this is shut off. We're going to go ahead and play this. Let's get an idea of the sound. So this is what the equalizer turned off. It's turned on. As you can see, it gives you those mids, it gives you the highs that it's missing. It just cleans it up. So on the FX, you've got a few different things that you can play around with: surround sound, dynamic boost, bass boost, as well as your equalizer. It just, and makes it sound so much better. So let's go ahead and pause this. Anyhow, hopefully that helps you out. If you need some noise, you want a little bit of clarity out of it, fxsound.com. Go check out their equalizer. Donate, support them. It's all open source. It's free. I don't know if it's open source, but it's a solid product. So, y'all have a good one. Appreciate it.